we have to simplify. We have 5 minus 1 over 0.4. We have decimal number in the denominator because we have fraction here. So first I will change this decimal number to the fraction. So 5 we copy minus, we have fraction bar, 1 we copy, 0.4 is 4/10. And now fraction bar means division. We have division here and we have subtraction. The order of operations tells us that first we have to do division and next subtraction. So 5 we copy minus, we can rewrite this that this is 1 divided by fraction bar means division by 4/10. So this is equal 5 we have to copy minus and 1 divided by 4/10. So because we have fraction, I will change 1 to the fraction also. So we have 1/1 divide, we always write whole number over 1 to get fraction, and we have by 4/10. So this is equal 5 we copy, minus we copy, 1/1, first fraction we copy, and division we change to multiplication, and we flip the second fraction. So it will be 10/4 now. So this is equal 5 we have to rewrite minus, how we multiply fractions, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we have 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 4 is 4. So this is equal, we have 5 minus improper fraction. So we change this improper fraction to mixed number. How many times you can put 4 to 10? 2. And now 2 times 4 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2/4. We rewrite. So this is equal, we can reduce 2/4, we can divide by 2, so it will be 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we have 5 minus 2.5. 5 minus 2.5 is 2.5, of course. So this is my solution.